In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding a table of contents to your PixelPerfect report. Before you begin, decide where you want to place the table of contents. If you want it in the report header, add a report header band. Alternatively, you can add it to a report footer band. From the toolbox, drag a table of contents component onto the report header band. Adjust the bar separating the title and the contents to increase or decrease the spacing. Once you've added the table of contents, you can customize its appearance. Update the title. To do this, in the table of contents settings, expand the behavior property and then expand level title. Then enter your desired text. Customize the font to match the formatting of the rest of the report. In this example, we will update the font for both the level title and the level default. To link the table of contents to your report, you need to create a bookmark. If you're creating a table of contents with levels, ensure the relevant detail report band is already connected to the desired level, in this case, the region level. Open the expression editor for the region level you added earlier. Select the bookmark property and add the field you want to reference in the report, in this case, region. You can customize the expression to have additional text in your table of content link. Finally, add a page info object to your report. Place it at the bottom of the page. Then adjust the font as needed. When done, save your template and run a report preview. And here's the result. You have successfully added a table of contents to your PixelPerfect report. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.